Hello everyone, I am making this video to show the very simple and easy maintenance you can do on your home AC system to improve its efficiency, which is to get a lot of cold air and save on electric bills and prevent failures of the system. Now this maintenance applies to a central AC system like I have here or a window AC. The maintenance is to keep the coils of your AC system super clean. Every AC has two coils, one inside and one outside. We're looking at the outside coil here. This is a big coil, goes all around, really is made of aluminum with aluminum fans. Now, if these tiny little fans get blocked by dust or debris or anything, system is not going to work efficiently. Same way, the inside coil, if that gets blocked with dust and debris, that is not going to work properly. And then when system is blocked, when the coils are blocked, it adds pressure to the compressor, and that compressor would go bad, or capacitor would go bad because of extra load on the system. So simple maintenance is just keep the coils clean. To do this cleaning, we need three items. Nylon brush, ideally with long teeth here. We're going to use that to remove the dust and debris that is stuck on the outside of the fins of both the inside AC unit and the outside AC unit. And also we want these nylon teeth to go inside the fins and clean them and remove as much dirt in between the fins. So we'll use that all around the unit, inside and the outside unit. After we are done, we use the special coil cleaner or the AC foaming cleaner. What it does, once we spray on the coil, it's going to go inside the coil and expand and like a foam. That foam is going to cover all the dust and grime that is inside the coil and melt it all down. Because this is a water-based formula, it is not going to damage the aluminum that's on here. We're going to end up needing about 5 or 6 of them.
This is the coil cleaner I am using today. I bought it from Home Depot for about $6 a can. If you're searching for it, search for AC coil cleaner at homedepot.com and this will come right up. Other one I have used is from Walmart. This is Frost King coil cleaner, also about $6. This was out of stock at Walmart, so I bought the other one from Home Depot. I actually like the Frost King brand a little bit better. Its foam is more, it sticks on there a little bit longer, so I prefer Frost King over the other one from Home Depot.
Whichever coil cleaner you get, both of them are self-rinsing and water-based. So safe for the AC, and self-rinsing here really applies to the inside AC unit that gets moisture on it, and that moisture helps to then clear away the dirt and grime that this coil cleaner has helped to clean. So but for the outside, we will need to clean that with water, and for that we're going to use this garden hose. We're going to of course have a hose attached to it. The maintenance is fairly simple, but it will take about 3 to 4 hours to complete. So the best time to do this work is, if you're doing it during summer, do it earlier in the day. Turn off the system 6 or 7 in the morning and get started. So you're done with and system is ready to go before you hit midday. I would recommend to do it before the start of the season. I personally do it end of April, beginning of May for the summer season. And I also do the maintenance before the winter because my AC works both for heat and cold. So I do that end of October, beginning of November to make sure the system is ready to go before I need it and it's ready and fully efficient. So let's get started. I'm going to power off the unit and get started on the maintenance. So this is my inside unit, and the coil is on the lower section here. This is number 10. I'm going to use to take off the screws here. So I've taken off the cover, and you can see this is the coil we're talking about. And it's a little bit of moisture on here. If you open this and you find a lot of ice, frozen really, then no air is circulating or passing through the coil. So that's one of the reasons why the system is not working efficiently. So if that happens, let the ice melt. and then clean the coil. So again, this brush is going to come real handy. So I'm going to clean it carefully, not to damage any of these pipes here. So clean it front and also from the back. And when we are done, we'll spray the coil cleaner. Other thing, we're going to take off this filter. If it needs to be changed out, we'll change it out, make sure it's clean. So I'm going to spray right on the coil in a horizontal way to cover all the aluminum fins. So start from the top, go downwards. The spray hits the coil and it foams up. So I'll be doing that from top to bottom. And I'll do the same thing on the back. Okay, and so I'll keep on doing that. It's going to take a while. When I'm done spraying the cleaner on the front and back of this coil, I have it sit for about an hour, and typically in that time any dust and other pieces would loosen up and would drain out. Also what I do is I spray some mist on the coil. There's just water in it, and that also helps to drain out the loosened up dirt. If the coil was really dirty, you want to do a second round of coil cleaner, definitely do, to make sure it's fully clean. The other thing you can do is turn on the AC, and that will automatically wash it clean. I usually try to help it. So you see all the dust loosening up here. So I usually spray a little bit of water on it, a little bit of mist on it, so help it wash away. Yeah, so that is the process. After that's done, I will put the cover back on. So right here, put the cover back on, and we'll be done on the inside unit. I'm going to do the outside. So we'll be doing that for a while until it covers the whole unit. So I just finished spraying all over the fins here. You can see the foaming cleaner doing its job. So I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes. So I've had the coil cleaner on this unit for more than an hour now, and it's time to throw in some water to clean it all out. So I got my garden hose sprayer setting on shower, and let's do it. And I'm going to spray that until I don't get any more soap coming out. And we're just going to spray that all over. And that's it on the maintenance side. Thanks for watching.